So why buy fuel injectors from Highway and Heavy Parts? The biggest reason that you're going to want to get a Highway and Heavy Parts fuel injector, the injectors themselves have been tested to the highest standards, oftentimes better than the OEM as far as consistency and quality across the board. You're going to get your power back, you're going to get your fuel economy back. You've got choices out there, and the fuel injector is one of those choices. You can get something anywhere from disassembled, cleaned, and put back together, all the way to the highest quality fuel injector. One of the things I urge you, it's not necessarily the place to save money on your engine. You do get what you pay for. You'll find some out there that are $125 or $150. You can bet that they don't have new tips, they don't have new solenoids, they don't have new springs on them. They're not going to be held to the same standard that you're going to get with these fuel injectors. Fuel is probably your #1 cost as a truck driver, as an owner, as somebody running a company that involves trucks. So the money that you'll save on better fuel economy far outweighs the cost of the difference between a very inexpensive fuel injector and a well-known quality fuel injector. Thanks for checking out our fuel injector video. Remember, whether your engine's got a miss, poor fuel economy, or maybe you're just doing a rebuild, we've got the injectors for you at 30 to 50% off retail pricing. Check us out on our website at www.highwayandheavyparts.com, where you can see our online quoting tool. We'd be glad to send you a quote, or give us a shout at 844-447-1453. Remember, from diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.